The ANC Secretary-General Fikile Mbalula has acknowledged the party's significant electoral decline in KwaZulu-Natal, coinciding that the ANC has lost its majority in the province to former President Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto we Sizwe Party and other political rivals. Speaking during a visit to KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday, Mbalula addressed the African National Congress's waning support in the province, candidly admitting, "We have lost, and we did not camouflage that loss in KwaZulu-Natal. We are a 17% party and we need to get out of that." His comments mark a rare moment of introspection for the ruling party, which is facing mounting challenges in one of its former strongholds. The African National Congress has been steadily losing key wards across the province to both the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party and the Inkatha Freedom Party, with several ANC members defecting to opposition ranks. However, Mbalula maintains that the party is taking concrete steps towards a political resurgence and said, "We are working on a program of renewal and a comeback in KwaZulu-Natal. It's not a blanket success yet, but there are sparks of good work being done. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. We have lost important wards." The Provincial Task Team (PTT) appointed in February 2025 is leading the party's efforts to rebuild grassroots support and restore organizational discipline. Mbalula said the ANC is undergoing internal restructuring and leadership reconfiguration to reclaim its credibility and voter trust ahead of the 2026 local government elections, and said, "We've reconfigured our leadership and are reinforcing our structures to build a disciplined and effective organization. We are not here to blame anyone. We are looking into our own house." Recent by-election results paint a sobering picture for the ANC. In February, the Inkatha Freedom Party snatched Ward 15 in Hlabuyalingana local municipality, over 1,300 votes compared to 834 for the ANC and 531 for the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. The seat was previously held by the ANC before the passing of Councillor Gidla Mthethwa. More recently, the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party won Ward 18 in Mandeni with 813 votes, outpacing the ANC's 533. The party has also claimed victory in other strategic wards, including Ward 110 in the eThekwini Metro, a seat formerly held by the Democratic Alliance. However, some of these victories have been shadowed by controversy. In the Mandeni by-election, the Electoral Commission of South Africa (IEC) faced allegations of misconduct after an official was found charging a scanner at a private home. The official has since been suspended pending an investigation. Despite the setbacks, Mbalula remains optimistic and said, "We are here as the Secretary General's office to do what we said we would, to monitor, support and strengthen the province. This is part of the National Executive Committee's broader strategy to regain lost ground, rebuild unity and renew the soul of the movement." As the KwaZulu-Natal's political landscape continues to shift, the ANC's path to recovery remains uncertain. But the party insists it is far from defeated. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.